Juya ga kin muna biya mu ba. Ya kuna ya kuna da kaman karimi ne.
Kina ji?
Juya ke so.
Camera want to provide.
Juya ba da bo.
And talk with confidence.
Start from the
Mana
beginning.
kun
I had a friend who is used to trauma. Whenever she doesn't take the trauma that very deep, it will affect her head. She will be complaining of headache. So I've talked about her, I've advised her she don't want to. Sometimes I put the shower and say, but I did that, but I did what. And she even advised me that I should take it. That Nasha don't run me. Then I told her, no, I don't want to. It's very bad. And I'm trying to tell with the ladies. Martian trauma she very shiny, but she is not good. And she minimum. Muraba. And this come on, I have a challenge because I want you to say. Do I think the lady? Because to me, come on, don't you wait. Do I think the lady? It's either even like the religion. It's either you ask me out. If I don't accept you, then I'll leave you. That's the problem. That's why higher banner is I'm mad in the middle. Because my last walk the night I shouted. The person took Baba the arrow. He asked me out. That's why I stopped him. I don't know. But so it's not something of me saying it. Don't do come on my time. We all face different challenges. The only thing they can take for the nation. So you going out or doing something that is not good and achieving. Listen, I'm not often and I'm feeling like mom. Something in when I'm facing. I'm going to ya sound such a this car. I'm going to start with that checking this kind. We're not doing it. That's why we are ladies. Doesn't mean that you use what you have and get what you like. So I'm trying to tell you the ladies, you can get no much time you have, and you want to beat your chest and say, I want to do it. You are going to the wrong path. You know, the guidance side, you have to guide you with sound in Saba. Just accept what you have. This life is not all about competition. Once you have your knowledge and you're educated, anywhere you go, you face yourself.